The ReWalk Robotic Exoskeleton is a wearable robotic system designed to assist individuals with lower limb disabilities in walking. It consists of motorized leg supports, a backpack with a computer and power supply, and a system of motion sensors. Users control the device through subtle movements in their upper body, triggering the exoskeleton to move their legs in a walking motion. This technology aims to provide mobility and independence to people with spinal cord injuries or other conditions that affect their ability to walk. The ReWalk Robotic Exoskeleton is developed by ReWalk Robotics, a company focused on creating robotic solutions for individuals with mobility impairments. Here are more details about the system. 1. Design and components. The exoskeleton is composed of lightweight, wearable components. The motorized leg supports are strapped to the user's legs and part of the torso, with a backpack containing the computer and power supply. 2. Motion sensors. The system utilizes motion sensors typically placed on the user's upper body to detect changes in posture and movement. These sensors play a crucial role in translating the user's intentions into leg movements. 3. Control system. Users control the ReWalk system through a wireless remote control worn on the wrist. By tilting their body or using subtle movements, users can initiate steps and control the exoskeleton's walking pattern. 4. Battery life. The exoskeleton is powered by a rechargeable battery pack, providing a certain duration of use per charge. The specific battery life can vary based on the model and usage. 5. Training and adaptation. Users typically undergo training to learn how to use the system effectively and adapt to the exoskeleton's walking pattern. This process involves practicing balance, coordination, and overall control of the device. 6. Applications. The ReWalk system is designed to assist individuals with spinal cord injuries at various levels. It is not only intended for rehabilitation but also for enhancing users' daily lives by enabling them to stand up, walk, and participate in activities that require mobility. 7. Clinical approval. ReWalk has received regulatory approvals in different countries for both personal and rehabilitation use. However, its availability and eligibility for individuals may vary based on healthcare regulations and individual health conditions. It's important to note that advancements in exoskeleton technology continue, and various companies are working on improving the design, functionality, and accessibility of these devices for a broader range of users with mobility challenges. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video.